replacing the cable on the DFT. There's a couple things you'll have to do to get it in. First, you remove the old one, which will come all the way through, pull it all the way out. But then to feed the new one in, you'll have to start from the middle here, from this pulley. By removing this pulley here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove also this piece and this piece so that you can remove this pulley and feed this cable down. Okay, so we've already got everything pretty much loose. We're gonna go ahead and take it off here. Bottom. This piece will come out. Take this pulley out. I'll have them edit it, don't worry. Stop it for a second.